Hey everyone! In this guide, I'm going to show you how to insert non-YouTube videos into Google Slides using the full 2025 setup. This works for MP4 files, screen recordings, MOV files, and videos you have saved on your computer or phone. So yeah, first open your browser, go to google.com, sign in with your account, and open Google Slides. Once your dashboard loads, open your presentation or create a new blank slide deck. Before you can insert a non-YouTube video, you need to upload the video to Google Drive. Google Slides only plays videos that come from YouTube or Google Drive, so uploading it is the key step. Go to Google Drive, click New, choose File Upload, and upload your MP4 or MOV file. After the upload finishes, right-click the video in Drive and open the Share menu. Set access to anyone with the link if you'll be presenting to others. This prevents the video from breaking or refusing to play during your presentation. Now switch back to Google Slides, click Insert, then Video. In the window that pops up, choose the Google Drive tab. You'll see your video right there. Click it once and then press Insert. The video will appear on your slide with a preview frame. You can resize the video by dragging the corners and position it wherever you want on the slide. When the video is selected, you'll see format options on the right side. There you can choose whether the video plays automatically, plays on click or mutes or unmutes audio. Google Slides even lets you trim the video so only a specific part plays during your presentation. Before you present, double-check your video permissions. If someone else views your slides and they don't have access to the Drive file, the video won't play. Once that's confirmed, click Present and test your video. Make sure the audio works and the playback is smooth. And that's it. That's how to insert non-YouTube videos into Google Slides using the 2025 method. It's simple, flexible, and perfect for all kinds of presentations. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next guide.